Hey guys, what's up? I'm Neil.
I'm Hannah.
And this is the Q&E Show. It's like Q&A, but it's with ExBode. Is that a good name?
Yeah, that's
I just
funny.
came up with that. You're
Thanks
trying to
for
fit my
listening.
style with
Oh,
the
am
chair.
I like too
So,
close? Okay.
whoa, don't get out of the picture frame.
Oh, okay. Am I in the picture frame? I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, I see us in the mirror.
Okay. So, what's about to go down is I have a series of 3 questions. And Hannah has a series of
4 questions. I couldn't decide.
I told her to do 3, but whatever. These are questions about us with ExBode, with cleaning, with everything. Hannah, you have 4 questions, so I guess you go first and I'll answer.
Okay. This one's kind of a question. Mostly I just want you to talk. Ebony.
Alright.
This is our cleaning cat. Anyways, describe the dirtiest house you have seen or cleaned. It could easily be both.
Okay, you know what house this is.
Yeah, I know.
This house doesn't have a name other than the poopy house. Feces house. It is a nasty house. We estimated this house out, and I don't think they wanted to pay for it, but I'm real concerned about how this house turned out. You know what house I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know. It's
Ebony,
so
get out of the
nasty.
shot.
She's
Come on. Hey.
She wants to sniff the cleaning product. Oh, no, she's
Alright,
gone.
bye, Ebony. So, the Feces house was a house, we didn't actually clean it. We went and did an estimate. And honestly, we said that we could not get into this house for less than $8,000 because it was a health risk. Like, to the extreme. We wore gloves in there. We needed masks and full body suits. We needed a hazmat suit.
We needed to bring a dumpster truck over to the house just to throw stuff away.
Yeah, it was nasty. Everything was nasty. The sink was full of dishes that had probably been sitting there for like 3-4 months. Just filled with food, nasty, gunky. The stove needed replaced because there was just gunk up. The toilet, we were just going to replace it because it looked like a caramel apple.
But it was not caramel.
Yeah, there was this lady, she had...
it was on the outside.
Yeah.
Not the inside, the outside of the toilet.
It was nasty. But, yeah, this lady, she had dementia, and I don't know, she couldn't get around well. She had bowel problems, couldn't hold it in. She had a cat with bowel problems.
She was on oxygen, on a breather.
Yeah, there's no wonder why. It was bad. We didn't actually clean that house. I was kind of excited to because I wanted to do an awesome show about cleaning this place, but it would have been a lot of work to go in there, fix everything up. We would have had to replace everything that we brought in there. Get rid of like vacuums and stuff that we brought in. That house is so bad. So overall it was good, but that house was sickening. Okay, you want a question now?
Yeah.
Okay. This one's easy.
Oh, okay.
What's your favorite part about cleaning?
Ooh, the finish. I know that sounds bad, but it's like, oh, a lot of people are like, oh, I can't wait. My favorite part about work is going home. But no. My favorite part about the reason why I like the finish of cleaning is because then I get to see it be dirty, and then I look at it when it's clean, and I'm like, wow, I did that because it's clean, and it's just so nice to look at something that's clean. Sometimes I like to sit and stare at it because I'm like, whoa.
Right. Well, sometimes whenever I'm cleaning, I don't really remember what it looked like before.
That's why you take pictures.
Yeah, right. Because I was there for the whole process.
Yeah. Do I get to ask you a question now?
I think it's your time. I'm still coughing on my water.
Oh, okay. How clean is your clean?
Really clean. I like it real clean. I think clean is fancy and luxurious, and I like to be fancy and luxurious.
Yeah, but I mean,
Pinkies up.
Compared to other people's clean, describe your clean compared to the regular household.
ExBode's or mine? Both? I mean,
Both. I mean, your clean is ExBode's clean.
yeah, so ExBode's clean is like really clean. Like it goes from, really I think there's multiple stages to our clean. So first clean, you walk in, it's dirty, and you just gotta get stuff on the ground, right? Like all the big dust and stuff. But then once you get that big dust off, it's still not clean. Then you gotta go around and get details. The clean is the most clean that house can get. Like nothing, right? Like it's clean, like crevices, like around baseboards on the floor, like those areas need to be clean, you know? When there's carpet and your vacuum doesn't get all the way up against the baseboard, so you take a rag on the carpet and you dig the hairs and crumbs and stuff out, right? That's my kind of clean, you know? Refrigerator, like spotless, like please no cow's blood.
No cow's blood.
Just no cow's blood. You know, bathrooms, showers, no hairs. No soap scum, please. No bar soap.
Don't use bar soap. It ruins your body and your shower. Actually, it probably doesn't ruin your body, but it ruins your shower.
Actually, most natural shampoos and stuff are bar soap.
I know.
It ruins your shower, though. But does that answer your question?
Yeah.
How clean is it? Sparkling, spotless. It's like...
As clean as this triple filtered water. Is it triple filtered?
Who knows? It's clean. It's ExBode clean.
It tastes good.
That's how clean it is. Okay, Hannah. Phone. Hannah's on her phone.
What?
What's so important on the phone?
You were checking the camera,
Okay.
so I was on my phone.
So...
What? Oh, you already read that question?
Okay, what's your favorite area of a home to clean?
Kitchen.
And why?
Why do I like the kitchen?
Yeah, what's so cool about the kitchen?
It's not, I don't want to say boring, but it's not as boring as going around and dusting.
What about bathrooms?
I don't like bathrooms.
Hannah says she loves kitchens, but I've seen this girl throw up or like be like, oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, but I'm gonna throw up no matter where I'm at. Bathrooms or kitchen, I'm gonna throw up because something's gross.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go throw up.
Well, you know,
and then
touching the hairs or
oh my
and
god,
if it's a lot, it's like one or two. It's
wait.
fine. If it's like
okay.
this is my answer to the question.
Hannah will go. She'll be like, oh yeah, go throw up, and he'll throw that cup in the trash that has ramen noodles in it.
That's because it had ramen noodles and like alcohol in it, and it was gross.
For
it
like
was in a frat
year,
house.
yeah, probably was there for a year. But anyways, then she goes out on the deck. This happens multiple times everywhere. She'll go out on the deck and she'll be like, oh yeah, it's actually just break time. I'm gonna be here for 2 hours while Neil cleans the whole kitchen.
It's not true. Not true. Not true. It happened once because it was a frat house and it was disgusting.
Dark house. Dark estimate house. No light house.
That's because I had been in that kitchen all day long and I was tired and it was hot and the AC wasn't working and it was dark and then I was hungry and...
No, we're talking about a different house. See, it happens so much.
Wait, what?
I'm talking about dark estimate house and the light got turned on.
Yeah, that's the house I'm talking about. And then
Cool.
she yelled at us and she got mad and then she, with the check and the...
Okay. Yeah, that was good.
I didn't even get to finish answering my question. You were just yelling at me.
Okay, why and why?
Okay, because I like doing the stainless steel and I like using the oven's top spray and spraying it on there and then wiping away the grease. And I love the smell of the Method granite countertop stuff. Like
Ooh,
the apple
you haven't
scent.
smelled this one here, right here.
Is it granite?
This is not a paid advertising, but this seems like it would be.
Degreaser? You bought Degreaser? I thought we were never using Degreaser again.
That's all natural.
It smells like citrus. Oh, I can feel my lungs being...
No, you can't.
Yeah, I
No,
can.
you can't
It's
because
just the smell.
Because I use that stuff
Yeah, but it's just the smell for me.
I used that stuff and it made me feel phenomenal.
Yeah, but it's the smell.
And it works better. It worked better than Zip.
Yeah, but the smell reminds me
I
of
swear it worked better than Zip.
Okay, anyway, can I ask you a question? What is your favorite cleaning product?
My favorite cleaning product is this bad boy right here. Mixed with this bad boy right here. Why? Because this is amazing. And this just makes it wipe out even more. It's
Oh yeah?
yeah, that's what it is.
Okay.
Are you ready? Was that a good enough answer?
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do your best vocal reenactment of me while cleaning. Cause
My best vocal reenactment of you
while
cleaning.
Yeah, what am I like when I'm cleaning?
Oh my gosh. Hold on. I gotta think about this. Give me just a second. Hannah, what are you doing?
Keep going.
That's all I got.
No, come on, what?
It's hard to do a deep voice. Can I do it in my voice?
Just do it in your voice. Do it. Make it a little more squeaky or something. Like
Squeaky.
my voice.
No, your voice is deeper than mine.
Don't go like this.
I'm going like this. Hannah, what are you?
Yeah, that's your voice that you use whenever you act like you're me.
Hannah, what are you doing? Hannah, how come you're not done yet? I've done 3 blinds and you've only done 1. What's taking you so long? Hannah, are you gonna clean up bathroom or do I have to clean all the bathrooms? Hannah, you gonna vacuum? Hannah, come on, let's go. No, Hannah, you know, Hannah, just get out, it's fine. I'm just gonna clean the whole house by myself like I do every time.
Why are you so slow?
It's because I always get stuck with the hard, dirty ones.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And then I show you, I'm like, Neil, look at this. And I show you, like, what I've done, what I haven't done. And then you're like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize how dirty this one was. And I'm like, yeah, because I get stuck with the dirty stuff. And you're just over here like, and plus, I have to get out the ladder for most blinds because you're tall, so you can just reach, but I can't reach. I gotta get out a ladder, and so it takes me a little bit longer because I have to, set the ladder up and then take the ladder down and move the ladder to the next one, and then get on and off and go down and on and on.
Okay.
Anyways, what's the best part about cleaning? You already asked me this, but now I already had it written down.
What's the best part about cleaning? It's the songs you get to sing when you're cleaning. It's a singing happy song, see the dirt go away, see the dirt go bye-bye, sing a happy song, then you show the people what you did, and they're like, oh my goodness, this house is so clean, it's my dream house, it's my dream house, it's my dream house, it's my dream house. That's my favorite part. I like giving people their dream house back. I like walking in, and I actually get a thrill out of walking in and be like, why is this place so dirty? I like walking in and being like, there is so much dust on this countertop, it's dirt. Only I don't use my fingernails because that'd be nasty.
What I love seeing you do is whenever you go into someone's house and it's like dirty, and like while you're giving the estimate, you're just like, ew, like as they're standing there.
That?
Yeah, you do that. Like I'll just be like, hey, Neil, it's like really dirty right here. Like touch this. But then you're like right in front of them real loud. They're just like, ew, this is so greasy and dirty. Yeah, you need your house cleaned. I mean, like, yes.
I do that.
Yeah, I've seen
That's
that before.
That's because people need to know. It's nasty.
I mean, I get it. They do need to know that it's nasty, but you don't need to like go and be like, ew, because like
come
that
on,
just
I'm
makes
not
them,
that whiny.
That makes them a little bit embarrassed.
No, I'm like, you should be embarrassed right now, but we're about to make it so all your friends can come over and you're gonna eat, and people are gonna feel comfortable eating.
Oh yeah, that's my thing. I don't want to eat in a house if it's dirty. I get uncomfortable like,
Daddy. Cool. Well, good questions, Hannah.
Why are we here?
It was real good.
So
talking.
good to meet you.
No,
Neil.
we already. I met you a long time ago.
I know.
It was a good conversation with you. Okay.
One of us,
I'm gonna go.
cleaning product fight.